I moved to LA alone at 32 to start over, and this is where I'm living now. Welcome to my living room. This is where all the magic happens. I spend most of my time here. I work here. I think here. I overthink here. So it's pretty much like my own nook of, let's say, relaxation, but at the same time, it's more so work. But yeah, it's a nice space. And this chair is so comfortable. So I just love it. So this is my kitchen. As you can see, it has like only the essentials because let's face it, I'm here on a temporary basis. So I'm just trying to do the bare minimum. It's for my coffees, my meals. At times I feel like cooking up a storm, and at times I don't feel like doing anything at all. So it's for the good days and the not so good days. This is my bedroom, and this is where my reset space. This is where I kind of contemplate where I'm at right now. Some days I'm really proud of being here and having achieved so many things in my life so far, but at times I feel like, to be completely honest, very lost, and I'm trying to do the most of it, and I'm just trying to survive, making it through. This is my outfit of the day, and it's Sunday after all, so it really has the cozy and really comfortable vibe that fits very well for a Sunday mood. I don't know where all of this is going yet, but all I know is that this is home for a while, and I will figure it out along the way.